Hello again. This is our last installment of fractional exponents, at least for right now. And we're going to apply the properties that we learned in the former lessons with fractional exponents and see how you do. And students see this problem and I guess they can kind of tolerate it given if they're in the right level of the math that they're doing at that time. They look at this one and they just want to give up and they say, oh, I hate math so much. No, okay, just take it step by step and it won't be so bad. Yeah, never mind. So I've got 12 to the negative 1/2 times 12 to the 5 over 2. And students look at this and they're just flustered because they see negative exponents, they see fractions, they see a number, they don't get it. Let me try to quench your fears really quickly. What's x to the second times x to the third? It's x to the fifth. When you have the same base and you're multiplying them, you just add the exponents. Well, we've got the same thing here too. We've got the same base and we're multiplying them. So all we do is we add the exponents. So it's 12 to the power of, what's negative 1/2 plus 5/2? That's negative 1 plus 5 is 4 over 2. So it's 12 to the 4/2. Which is the same thing as 12 to the second. 12 times 12, not 12 times 2, is one of my favorite numbers. I think it's because we went up to 12 times 12 in 3rd grade for math. I think most people still do that. It's based off the German system. Anyways, is 144. So, yeah, that's it there. That's all you do. Now, that's not too bad. You look at this one and all of a sudden, what do I do? Well, don't cry about it, it's not going to help. So this is 6 to the first, but 6 to the first, and I'm working with denominators of 3 here, is actually 6 to the 3 over 3. That's because 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I'm going to go ahead and write that step down. That's because if you want to make a 1, you know, with a denominator 3, you got to multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator. That's basically what I'm doing. People are like, you're changing it. No, I'm not. I'm just making 1, 3 divided by 3. I mean, 3 divided by 3 is still 1. It's just a different way to look at it, you know. Still the same person, just took my glasses off. Same thing here. Same exponent, just looks slightly different. So I add exponents when it looks like this. And I get 6 to the 7 over 3 over 6 to the 1/3. Now, when it's division and the bases are the same, I just subtract the exponents. So it's 7/3 subtracted 1/3. That's 6 to the 6/3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Just 36. And that's really closing off fractional exponents. Problems do get more difficult from time to time, but not really any more difficult than this. Like I said, you can go into a college algebra class and a lot of students just won't do this right because they don't understand the fundamental laws of what's going on. As long as you understand the fundamental laws or properties and you take it step by step, it's not so bad actually, which is very unusual, but sometimes people just want the answer without doing the work, and that's where the trouble really starts. You got to realize that it takes practice and practice and practice, especially in math. You know, it's good to be born smart in math. You know, some people are going to be better than others in math, but hard work will get you further than just brains alone. I guarantee that one. You know, from personal experience. So, with that said, we're done with fractional exponents. We're going to keep moving on with exponential functions. Have a good day for now. Goodbye.